Is good, YouTube? It's your boy. Nah, I didn't like how that started. Let's bring that back. YouTube, it's your boy Flaming Kicks checking back with you with another video. And today we are talking about the Air Jordan Hare 6s, right? But before we jump into that, I want to send a little thanks and a shout out to everybody that's been showing support, showing love to the video, to the channel. You feel me? It's a new channel. So all the likes, all the love, all the support, share this video, you already know. Before we do all that, you already know. Let's jump into this video. With the heat. Now, starting it off, right? You got a size 9, you know, typical box. You got Jordan on the front, carried on the top, right? Let's open this bad boy up. Starting off, we got the dope wrapping, the hair wrapping, you know, typical. You know, on the inside, got your box code. Simple, right? We got Air Jordan. Now mind you, mine's a relace because this video is, you know, a couple weeks old. I done relace mine. A lot of my kicks are gonna be relaced. I relaced a lot of my sneakers already. I like that. That's like my thing. I like relacing shoes. It's like my little signature. But here, we got the heads, right? Start with the bottom. The bottom, you got the purple Jumpman. With you got the pink outer sole, you feel me? I thought it was gonna be more like a red, but you know, they came out with the pink. I don't know, I'm really iffy about that. Seems off to me. I don't know if the sevens was more like red compared to pink, but I mean, that's what they went with, that's what they're going with, right? Anyway, you got the green back, simple, purple Jumpman on the back, Air, you see it? And then up top, you got the red up here, which I think that's what they should have put at the bottom, right? They should have had the red at the bottom with it, had it match together. But hey, that's what they did. I relaced mine. You got the Jumpman tongue, right? You got the little translucent type tongue right here. Sneaker lock, I said tongue, I meant the sneaker lock. Green and orange with the red Jumpman. Now, these have not been worn, if you could tell. I don't know if you could tell. We're gonna look at it later, but the numbuck right here, the gray, it collects a lot of dust. I have not worn mine, they just sat out. They've been sitting out. I relaced them, you know, put them on display on top of the box. But they collect a little bit of dust, so you're gonna have to be careful with that. It's gonna be a problem when I do wear them. But yeah, I don't know. You got the inside, you can see, you got the Hare logo type thing. Hold on, I'm pretty sure, right. All right, yeah, so if you could tell, I'm pretty sure all the sneakers are like that. Every sneaker is gonna have a different little pattern inside. If you can see the pattern, you're gonna have a different pattern inside. Different pattern on each shoe. I don't know if y'all can see the inside. Boom. You know. Size 9. I got a size 9. That's the size I wear. It's my true size right there. You know. 6s has always been one of my favorite Jordans. I love the 6s right here. These are like, I don't know, to me, they're okay. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. Would I wear them every day? Probably not. But I don't know. Something, you know, summertime, bring out. When it's hot, nice shorts, nice white tee. Now, 6s, you know, that's all I really gotta say. So, you know, I'm gonna put those back in the vault. Those gotta go back in the box, put them back in the vault, you know. I'm gonna have way more content coming up. And oh, me and Shorty is going out for the 4th. So, might do a little vlog on that. If y'all wanna see that, drop a comment, let me know, you know. A little turn up for the 4th, you know, a little, a little something, you know. But anyway, that is about it, you feel me? Thanks for the support, thanks for the love. Drop a like, drop a comment. You already know Flaming Kicks is checking in with you next time. I am out. Peace.